हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सरोज मैथमेटिक्स ट्यूटोरियल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस ओपन फॉर पीएचडी मास्टर्स डिग्री। मास्टर्स डिग्री includes MA, MSc, MCom, MTech, MBA and equivalent courses, integrated PG programs. This central university is offering 15 different type of fellowships for all these programs mentioned here. So let us move ahead for the complete detail for Central University admissions, PhD, master's degree, integrated PG program along with 15 different type of fellowships. So Pondicherry University, a Central University admissions 2020-21 regular courses. Now we can look at the important dates mentioned here on the top only. So we'll just check the dates here. Yeah, online registration starts on 8th July 2020. Last date for online registration 31st July 2020. Date of entrance examination 21st, 22nd and 23rd August 2020. Applications are invited for admissions to various disciplines: MA, MSc, MCom, MCA, MTech, MBA, MLib, IS, MEd, MPed, MSW, MPA, LLM programs, 5-year integrated PG program, PhD programs, PG diploma programs. Applications are to be submitted online. Mode of examination: online based entrance examination at designed centers. A lot of centers are selected to conduct the examination, and the examination is going to be conducted on computer. So computer based examination will be there for the final selection. Now I would like to tell here that CSIR net and CSIR net JRF and UGC net JRF qualified candidates need not appear for the tests for the entrance test for the admission of PhD program. Directly they can get the admission in PhD. Means जिन्होंने JRF qualify की है, UGC net JRF या CSIR net JRF, उन्हें PhD program के लिए एग्जाम या एंट्रेंस टेस्ट में अपियर होने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट उन्हें एडमिशन मिलेगी. So here are 3 different links: application for PG, 5-year integrated PhD program, and here application to PhD for JRF qualified candidates. तो जो JRF qualified candidates हैं वो they can directly go to this link, and candidates who have qualified for JRF, UGC net, CSIR net are exempted from entrance examination. They can apply directly. Refer prospectus 2020-21. Now those who have not qualified JRF examination, they need to qualify the entrance test. Now we will talk about the details, complete detail about, or we will just look at the brochure to understand the complete detail and what are the different fellowships which are offered by this university. So let us move ahead. The Pondicherry University, this is the information brochure or information bulletin for 2020-21 admissions for different courses. Before that, would like to see where the Pondicherry University exactly located in. Or Pondicherry University or is a very special kind of central university because the university is a collegiate university with jurisdiction spread over the union territory of Puducherry, located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh, union territory of Lakshadweep and union territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. इतने जगह पे इसका फैलाव है, इस तरीके से ये बना है सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कि ये सभी जगहों पे कवर होता है. केरला है, आंध्र प्रदेश है, तमिलनाडु है, लक्षद्वीप है, अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स है. तो बहुत ही स्पेशल यूनिवर्सिटी है इन अ वे. एंड द पीपल, the vast jurisdiction over 3 union territories namely gives the university a national character. The residents speak diverse languages such as Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, English and French. So if you feel that there will be difficulty of or there will be language issues, so that is not going to happen because Bengali speaking, Hindi speaking, English speaking, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, French speakers are also there, so you are not going to face any language problem if you take admission there. Now let us talk about the different fellowships which the university is offering, which you can avail after taking the admissions. So here is the Pondicherry University, Central University information bulletin. We have to move to पेज नंबर 20. पेज नंबर 20 पर जाकर हम देख सकते हैं फेलोशिप्स के बारे में. मैं आपको पेज नंबर्स बताती हूँ, इंपॉर्टेंट पेज नंबर्स जो आप खुद भी जाकर देख सकते हैं सारी डिटेल्स. सो आई एम मूविंग अहेड फॉर पेज नंबर 20 नाउ. Sorry, page number 22, financial assistance. The total 15 type of fellowships the university is offering for different programs. Now before we start, we'll just have a look on this university. Has lots of facilities. Health center है, बैंक है, कैंटीन है, पोस्ट ऑफिस है, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स भी है. एंड now financial assistance, fellowship scholarship offered by university. PhD non-NET fellowship UGC. The candidates who have not qualified NET examination or JRF, CSIR NET JRF or NET JRF, they can avail this facility non-NET fellowship UGC. अब कैंडिडेट्स कहते हैं कि हमने नेट पास की है लेकिन JRF नहीं मिली है, तो नेट एंड गेट के केस में भी, क्वालिफाई करने के केस में भी आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल होते हैं. ऑल द फुल टाइम स्कॉलर्स एडमिटेड टू PhD programs in the schools department center of the university campus alone will be eligible for a fellowship of rupees 8,000 per month and contingencies grant per year. तो ये पहली फेलोशिप है, 8,000 रुपीज आपको एलिजिबल है. मीन्स ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इट, बट दे आर एलिजिबल. इफ फुल टाइम स्कॉलर्स, PhD scholars are eligible to get it, and if they get shortlisted then they will get 8,000 rupees per month with certain amount of contingency annually. Now a lot of other type fellowships also here mentioned here. Scholarship for PG courses are also there. PG merit scholarship for university rank holders and GATE scholarship. UGC provide scholarship for GATE qualified MTech students. So if MTech students are going to take admission for PhD, if they have qualified GATE, then they are also eligible to get GATE scholarship. Lot of other fellowships are also mentioned, like Government of India SC ST OBC scholarship, the government of various states, because this university is such that it is located, it is touching lot of states. So lot of governments of various states provide Government of India scholarship to candidate belonging to SC ST OBC communities. Now if we talk about non-net fellowship, that is open for all category. Lot of other fellowships are also mentioned here. Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship or Maulana Azad National Fellowship, if you are availing, you can, if you get admission here, you can avail both Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship and Maulana Azad National Fellowship also. Indira Gandhi Scholarship for single girl child, merit cum means scholarship, MCM. So all the details you can get here. Government of Puducherry Fellowship, scholarship, merit and merit cum means scholarship. The government of Puducherry also providing some merit and merit cum means scholarship. So which is 3,000 rupees per month, that way, for biotechnology program in Department of Biotechnology. Now I can see NBHM scholarship. So NBHM scholarship is also available here. Like what is NBHM scholarship, that we will have to. The National Board of Higher Mathematics Mumbai Department of Atomic Energy provides scholarship for those students who clear NBHM examination. Those who have cleared NBHM examination will get NBHM scholarship also. So basically non-net fellowship is also always there. You can avail non-net fellowship if you have qualified net, you have not qualified net, you have qualified GATE examination, not qualified GATE examination, but still you are eligible to apply for non-net fellowship. And a lot of other fellowships are also Madanjeet Singh Group scholarship, and MTech computational biology and MSc biotechnology students are going to get some fellowship, DBT fellowship, GATB score, and are eligible to get DBT fellowship. Scholarship for MSc Marine Biology and Disaster Management, 1000 per month. And one more scholarship is here. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy selected CGET as nodal center, some 15 MTech fellowship and 5 PhD fellowship to admitted candidates through GATE or CSIR qualification. So if candidates have qualified GATE exam or CSIR NET, then 5 PhD scholars will get this MNRE's fellowship. So lot of fellowships are getting offered by this university. Now let us talk about the seats. Examination is going to get conducted. That date is I have already mentioned. For entrance, lot of states I see, a lot of cities are allotted for entrance examination. So you can see the list of code and center name. You can check it here in page number 21. So page number 28, page number 28 of 179 pages PDF, you can get the list of fees is here mentioned. PG 300, PhD, STSC 500 and MBA 500, and other categories fees, application fees 600, 1000 and 1000. So PhD 1000, PG 600 and MBA course 1000. Similarly, you can get the list of centers in page number 28 of this PDF. Application forms are to be filled and submitted online as per instructions in the university website. So you have to read out this complete brochure, and then online application has to be done for any examination or any course admission. You have to fill the form online. Hall ticket. The hall ticket will be uploaded by the university after closing of application registration. We will look at the centers also, just giving the brief detail. Entrance exam using CBT methods. The entrance examination will be conducted using computer based test method. Computer पे examination होगी. The candidate should report in time etc. Mock test detail. Mock test भी होगी. Mock test means once you qualify the exam, mock test means to ensure that each candidate becomes familiar with the online based test, a provision for mock test trial is available on website during the period of application and thereafter. So mock test trial is also available on their website if you are going to appear for the examination. Let us look for the, so here is the list of centers where examination will be conducted. You can look at the centers. I will just scroll it down and you can see lot of centers I can see: Aizawl, Allahabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Guwahati, Gwalior, Hyderabad, Imphal, Indore, Jaipur, Jammu, Karaikal, Kochi, Kolkata, Kozhikode, Kottayam, Kakinada, Lucknow, Madurai, Mangalore, Mahe, Mumbai, New Delhi, Vellore, Patna, Port Blair, पुडुचेरी, पुणे, रांची में भी है, संबलपुर में भी है, शिलोंग, श्रीनगर, त्रिवनंतपुरम, तिरुचिरापल्ली, विजयवाड़ा and Visakhapatnam. Lot of centers are there. So candidates throughout from belonging to any part of India can definitely apply, because lot of centers belonging to different states are available to appear for the test. So that is not going to be an issue. Now let us talk about the seats which are available for PhD mainly. For PhD program, entrance examinations are 70% percentage weightage, and personal interview and academic record 30% weightage, and JRF candidate are going to get directly admission. So page number 33, PhD admission requirements are also given. Master's degree with 55% marks, and subjects are given here. Intake, if dash is given means no seat available, if numbers are written it means seats are available. So you can check here the entire list, page number 33 of this PDF information bulletin. So I speedily scroll it down. Commerce I can see, and lot of subjects here in different streams. So commerce also I can see. So lot of state subjects here. You can check English I can see, history no seat I can see, international business and management. And if you are interested to look at exactly how many subjects and what subjects and how many seats for each subject, you have to go through the detailed brochure. So this brochure is here. Now I will provide the link of this website, the website where we can get this. This is the website where the links are available. and PDF will be available. Information bulletin is available. I will provide this link in description box of this video. इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको इसकी लिंक मिलेगी, क्लिक करें, डिटेल ब्रोशर पढ़ें. I already explained that the date of examination would be 21st, 22nd and 23rd August of this year, and last date of online registration is 31st July, and it has already commenced on 8th July. So all dates given above are tentative, subject to position of this current situation is not very good, so these dates are tentative dates, may change also. So I will provide the description, I will provide the link of this website in description box. Please check there, and if you are interested, please apply. Thank you very much.